Hi, I'm Dr. Christina, Picky PT, and I'm going to show you how your trunk and pelvic floor are like a Coke can and how you can be picky about strengthening it. If you've got a strong Coke can that is pressing out in all directions equally with no dents, and you've got a closed top, then I could be stepping on this Coke can the same way that gravity presses down on your trunk and pelvic floor. I could even be bouncing on it, and it's still not going to give under the weight of my body or under gravity like you may. But if I open up the Coke can, I empty it out and add a few dents to it, we're gonna see that the trunk and pelvic floor collapse a lot easier against gravity, the same way this Coke can is gonna collapse a lot easier under my weight. So I emptied out the Coke can, I opened up the top, and now I'm adding a few dents here and there. Now, what it would look like in your body? Well, if you tend to stand, putting your weight on one side, causing your back to be a little bit side bent, if you tend to be a little hunched over one way, if you tend to just have your bottom popped out and your back forward, those are all dents that we have in our Coke can, our trunk, our pelvic floor. So when that takes place, and we've got enough of these dents in here, I'm gonna be able to put my weight on this can and crush it. It may be a little bit of an exaggeration, but I popped a hole in the side of my Coke can by being able to do that. And honestly, what are hernias really but a pop in our Coke can? So it's important that we have a stable and strong core and pelvic floor perfectly stacked with equal pressure in all directions to prevent issues like back pain, incontinence, pain during intimacy. All those things can be improved with improving the stability of your core and pelvic floor. This channel is dedicated to educating you about your own body and why you're having issues that were never explained to you. So if you want to learn more about how to have a strong core, pelvic floor, and how that affects you in real life, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family who could benefit from material like this too, and let me know if you have noticed some weaknesses in your core and pelvic floor.